Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So for today we're going to be doing a super simple rainbow inspired look right here. Today we'll be using the Unicorn Party palette by GLF Cosmetics, as well as a few shades from the Carity Matte palette. So if you want to see how I did this, then please keep watching. So after I've already concealed my eyelid, I'm going to apply some of that deep purple shade with a small detailed brush. I believe this one's by Morphe, but there's no number on it. It's one of those that I bought in a bundle set a long time ago, so sorry about that. But you can take any brush that you like, any small one, and just start by applying the purple like I guess almost like a letter C, kind of curved. And I'm just going to start by taking a small amount at a time. I'm really not too sure if this look is going to come out how I expect it, so that's why I was taking a small amount. But now I'm just going to start and build up that color. Next, I will be picking up a blue shade on that same brush. I'm going to apply this right next to the purple shade and slowly start to blend it out with a very light hand. And as you can see here, I am blending it outwards like so. And then next to that one, I'm going to be taking a green shade, and I'm just going to do the same thing very lightly, just smoothing this out and then applying it right next to the blue. And then I'm going to be taking some yellow, and I'm going to repeat the same steps. Now notice I am using the same little brush. All I do is sort of just wipe it on a towel in between colors because I don't have multiple of these same brushes. Now here I'm just going to be taking some lime green, and I'm going to apply it right in between the dark green and the yellow just to enhance it a little bit more. And then here I'm going to be taking some orange. And next to the orange, I'm going to be applying a little bit of red. And then lastly, I will be applying some of that hot pink shade. And now that it looks something like this, you can either leave it, but I want to blend out this edge, so I'm just going to take a blending brush and start smoothing it out. And now for the lower lash line, I'm just going to apply a little bit of red, orange, and yellow. You can do any colors that you like. And next, I'm going to be taking some of ColourPop's Gotta Jet Loose Glitter, and I'm going to be applying this just in random areas of the rainbow. It doesn't have to be really precise. Next, I'll be applying some mascara and a little bit of highlighter. Now here I'm going to be applying some neon gel liners by ColourPop, and I believe this yellow one is by LA Girl Cosmetics. And lastly, I will be applying some lashes. These ones are called Sweetheart by Visual Elves Cosmetics. So this completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was super short and sweet, but thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed week, and we'll see you next time.